Seedance 2.5 is finally here, and everyone's been waiting to see what it can really do. Today, I'm going to push it to the limit with different animation styles and even mix them together in the same video to see how far it can go. Its accuracy and ability to handle complex animation scenes are seriously impressive. It can use up to 50 references and intelligently bring them into your videos and animations. And there are tons of other features too, but today I'm focusing entirely on animation and putting Seedance 2.5 to the test. Let's see what it's really capable of. So today I'm going to use Higgsfield to test Seedance 2.5, which was just released and is now available here. And of course, you can use Seedance 2.5 on several other platforms as well, but personally, I think Higgsfield offers a really good balance between quality and pricing. And on top of that, they currently have a special unlimited offer for Seedance 2.5, which makes this a pretty great opportunity. So if you want to give it a try, you can find the link in the description. All right, let's get into it. Seedance 2.5 here can generate videos up to 30 seconds long using reference images, videos, and audio. It can also extend your existing 30-second videos by another 30 seconds. And you can choose whether you want to extend the beginning or the end of the video, which is really cool. Basically, you can now create much longer videos by generating and extending them a few times. For this first test, I'm only going to give it 1 2D character reference. Even though, as you probably know, Seedance 2.5 can handle up to 50 reference images, videos, and audio files and actually use them to guide the generation. I'll set the duration to 30 seconds, and for now, we can go up to 720p resolution. For the prompt, you can use pretty much the same structure as Seedance 2, but there's one big difference. The new version doesn't have those confusing misunderstandings and weird interpretations we used to get before. You can even use a much shorter and simpler prompt and still get really good results. Like this generation took around 3 to 4 minutes, so let's see what we got.
City's asleep. Let's fix that. Turn it up, turn it up. The moon's awake tonight. Turn it up, baby, yeah. No rules tonight. Told ya.
Wow. Honestly, I don't even know where to start. This is really good. And keep in mind, I intentionally kept the prompt very simple and minimal. The style stays incredibly consistent throughout the entire 30 seconds. And the character's performance is honestly amazing. The music and vocals are also really good. And they're perfectly synchronized with what's happening in the animation. And look at these visuals. Those neon lights look fantastic. The camera movements are also really dynamic and cinematic. Now, let's make things a little more complex and busy. This time, I'm going with a toy animation style and using this character as the reference. I'll also let Seedance completely design the environment based on the prompt. I want a huge, crowded toy store in the middle of the night.
What is that? It's just you!
And honestly, it looks like it handled it really well. If I want to be picky, there's a slightly weird moment when the main character comes out of the box, but overall, everything looks really good. And this video was generated in around 5 minutes. I also have to say the materials and textures of all the elements in the animation are absolutely incredible. I've also prepared several other animation styles for you to check out, and I've put all the prompts in the description so you can grab them and try them yourself. But before that, I want to really push Seedance 2.5 and test how well it can combine completely different styles and characters in a single 30-second video. So this time I'm going to use 10 different characters with completely different animation styles, including Vox style, puppets, claymation, 2D animation, and more, and put all of them together in one realistic video. Let's see if it can actually pull this off. One thing you should know is that even though Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 references, it actually recommends using fewer than 10 images, along with a total of around 30 seconds of audio or 30 seconds of video for better accuracy. So that's what I'm going to do. I've added all the images here and mentioned each one in the prompt. Let's see what we get. Okay, this is actually insane. I really wasn't expecting a result like this. As you can see, it managed to bring multiple characters into the video correctly while following the scenario really well. I have to say, I'm genuinely impressed. Different character styles can easily confuse most video generators and make it really difficult to get a clean result. But here, I'm not seeing any noticeable drift or inconsistency. Everything looks surprisingly accurate and cohesive. I think this really shows the improvement in Seedance 2.5. As they mentioned, the accuracy has increased by at least 20%, and honestly, this is pretty incredible. Let's check out a few more styles together. Of course, I generated these a little shorter so we don't take up too much time in the video.
For my next miracle, that was not in the act.
Extra large.
Another?
Yeah!
These 4 videos turned out really well too, apart from a few minor issues that can definitely be fixed by adding more references. Overall, I think Seedance 2.5 has the potential to solve many of the biggest problems we've had with AI video generation, and it's definitely a huge step forward. There are also several other features and use cases that I'll definitely cover in future videos, so I'll be making more content about Seedance 2.5. I hope you found this video useful. Until next time, stay creative.